Want to add a pop of color and texture to your home without following a complicated pattern? In today's tutorial, I'm showing you how to sew a gorgeous rope bowl from start to finish using WonderFil threads. It's beginner friendly, super fun, and once you make one, trust me, you'll want to make a whole stack of them. We'll be using Fruitti and Spagetti, two beautiful 12-weight cotton threads that really make your stitches pop. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build your own colorful rope bowl and why these threads are the perfect choice for a project like this. Here's the thread setup. Spagetti 12-weight cotton goes on top, and Fruitti 12-weight variegated cotton goes in the bobbin. That way, the bold color fade shows up beautifully on the outside of the bowl as you stitch. Fruitti is made from Egyptian cotton. It's soft, low lint, and it comes in 41 variegated color combos, so every bowl has a unique, eye-catching finish. To make this project, you'll need about 50 feet of 100% cotton rope. We're using one from the Mountain Thread Company. A 90-14 top stitch or 116 denim needle. Both are strong enough to handle sewing through rope. And of course, Spagetti as your top thread with Fruitti in the bobbin for that colorful finish. Start by curling the end of your rope into a tight little spiral, like a cinnamon bun. This will be the base of your bowl. Put it in place so it doesn't shift. Set your machine to a zigzag stitch. We chose the width at 4.0 and length 3.5. Sew right across the center to lock the spiral in place. As you continue sewing, keep the zigzags centered between where the rope meets, so your stitches catch both sides of the rope. Turn the spiral slowly to the right. This is how you build the flat base of your bowl. Here's the secret to those beautiful bowl walls. Once your base is the size you like, start lifting the rope slightly to the left as you sew. The higher you lift, the steeper the walls become. This is where the magic happens. Your flat spiral transforms into a three-dimensional bowl. When you reach the end of your rope, just finish with a backstitch to secure everything in place. And just like that, you've got a colorful rope bowl. Use it to store your sewing supplies, like threads, or keep it on your desk as a handy spot for keys and everyday essentials. Because Fruitti is in the bobbin, you get that gorgeous, color-changing fade wrapping around the outside of your bowl. It makes the stitches stand out and adds so much personality to your project. If you loved this project, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. We've got more WonderFil DIYs coming soon. And let us know in the comments, what color combo would you pick for your own rope bowl? Thanks for watching and happy sewing!
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips, tricks, and tutorials. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter to get the first look at free projects, sewing tips, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Check out the description box below to sign up, as well as find a list of stores and retailers that you can purchase WonderFil threads from in your country.